How make Google Chrome Developer Console show up by pressing F12 in Mac OS X. In the OS X version of Google Chrome, the Developer Console uses this stupid key combination of Alt plus CMD plus I instead of F12, which is the de facto standard key used in pretty much any other browser. Firefox Mac uses F12. Chrome Windows uses F12. Internet Explorer uses F12. Opera also uses F12. So, how can I remap it only for Chrome? Firefox Mac already uses F12. By the way, which is the key for Safari? The documentation at Apple's website says it's also Alt plus CMD plus I, but it doesn't work for me. This URL. Thank you.
Go to System Preferences Keyboard Shortcut and select App Shortcuts in the left panel. Add a new shortcut clicking on plus symbol and fill it like the image below. You may have to use F and F12 if you have unselected the option. Use F1, F2, etc. keys as standard function keys on keyboard tab.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.